Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. The articles of association are the rules for the regulation of a joint stock company, and according to the opinion of a King's Counsel, open bracket, who was recently counsel for the defense in an important case tried before the Lord Chief Justice, in which the learned counsel succeeded in obtaining a verdict for the defendant, close bracket, The articles of association may be produced as documentary evidence along with circumstantial evidence in the Chancery Division, open bracket, of the close bracket High Court of Justice or even in the Central Criminal Court, should a case arise in that court. Stop. The memorandum of association, on the other hand, one within bracket contains a statement, open bracket, of the close bracket objects for which a joint stock company is formed, and the conditions of its incorporation. Stop. The secretary of a joint stock concern should make it his business to be acquainted with the principal acts of Parliament relating to joint stock companies, so that if he should be called upon to give evidence in a court of justice, he may acquit himself well, whether under the examination in chief by counsel for the plaintiff, or the cross examination by the counsel for the defendant. Stop. You should remember that full knowledge gives calmness or nerve to a within bracket to witness, and that the man who knows both the law upon the matter and the circumstances of the case need fear no question from the learned counsel. Stop. Then the joint stock company secretary should also have a general knowledge of county court procedure, so as to know how to enforce payment of a debt by the issue of a judgment summons, should such an extreme method become necessary in the course of business. Stop. If the company for which he is secretary is a manufacturing concern, he should make himself acquainted with the main provisions, open bracket, of the close bracket Workmen's Compensation Act and the within bracket 3 Employers Liability Act, remembering that at common law an employer is not liable for an injury to one of his servants unless personal negligence on the employer's part is proved to have caused the accident. Stop. It should also be borne in mind that in cases of claim for compensation under these acts, there is a right of appeal from the county court to the divisional court, open bracket, of the close bracket High Court of Justice, and afterwards, by leave, to the Court of Appeal and to the House of Lords. Stop. Of course, every businessman should know how to deal with the dishonored within bracket 4 bill of exchange, and the circumstances in which the service of a notary public may be dispensed with, and as he may require to act under a power of attorney, you should be familiar with the form of this authority. Stop. The terms bill of sale, personal estate, real estate, and revisionary bonus, should be known and understood, and there should also be some acquaintance with the principal duties of an official receiver. Stop. It will be gathered from the foregoing that there are many things besides actual knowledge of his business which it is very desirable the commercial man should know. Stop.